Two p.m. is the 12 midnight for U.S.
7 a.m.
Yeah.
Alrighty, the morning check-in.
You're totally right. Half an hour ago, if you would have told me I'd been upright with my backpack, I'd be like, not happening today. And here we are again.
Day 5 on the Camino de Santiago. We are leaving the albergue Santiago Apostal.
Our prison.
The prison cell. The refuge up above the city.
Yes.
It's pretty cool.
You can't see the beautiful city.
It is 8:30. You're checking out right at the latest checkout time. It's 12 degrees Celsius. It's Tuesday, September 2nd. Mom's got her gaiters, the shoes, knee braces, bands, shorts for the first time. Trying new shorts.
Yep.
And her favorite ski buff that she's wearing, the headband.
Yep. And my bum pack. Bum pack, but there's another name for it. Bum bag.
Yeah. We both had crazy dreams. Mom's more crazy.
Oh.
She had a lucid dream in another dimension.
Mom's required anxiety medication to go back to sleep, and I was a mess. And I felt like crying, but I made it through. But it was scary. I was alone, no phone, no CJ, couldn't speak the language, in Spain.
It was like Inception.
But it's over.
She's got to find another knee band and laxatives today. According to her, right?
Yes, because apparently hiking doesn't wear it out of you like I thought it would. Didn't need to say it that loud, but I did.
We're leaving Puente la Reina. And we're gonna switch up our tactics because we've booked on booking.com every night and it's a little more expensive. We've only stayed in a big old shared hostel one night.
I don't know, that was a big old hostel last night. It just wasn't full.
Every other night we've had our own private room.
If that was full last night, it would have driven me crazy.
Yeah, but we've got, I'm saying.
I know, you're right.
We've stayed in dorm only one night. Every other night's been a private room.
Yeah, oh, yeah.
So we're gonna switch it up and try to show up at like 2 p.m. to the cities and just pay in cash. Even though I don't have tons of cash, I'd rather pay with card. Just because some of them are only like 8 or 9 euros. And we've been averaging 20 to 40 euros every night each. Here's the city, the little town, Puente la Reina. Beautiful chapel. Sun coming up. The bridge down there. Blackberries everywhere you can see. Yeah, day 5, so see, we'll maybe go 10 to 15 miles, how we feel. Yeah, it's awesome.
Hey, I thought we were going 13.
Wherever we get to, wherever we feel like. It's nice and chilly. Feels exactly like a Utah morning in the fall.
Feels exactly
or a
like
summer
September.
Utah morning.
No, it feels like September 2nd in Utah. Like going to the bus stop.
We will keep you updated.
What? It's out in the middle of nowhere. At least everything is out in the middle of nowhere here.
Trekking up the mountain.
Woo! Burning. Glad I'm not doing this in the hot sunshine.
All right, I think it's our best breakfast of the trip so far.
So far, yeah.
What y'all got?
Orange, banana, prunes, and nuts and cafe latte. And you?
Nice. I got, I don't even remember the name of this, but it's cinnamon, almonds, wafer, bread. And this is algo de patata. It's got chorizo and eggs and pepperoni, cheese, and bread.
Is it good?
Thank you, chus.
Oh, you don't have to. I was going to bring weather. Let's see. Hola.
Hola.
Buen día. This is cool. This is part of the Camino.
Here's a stamp.
Oh yeah. Let's get a stamp.
Yeah. Is that the same stamp?
Is that the one we got?
That's what I'm asking before we do it. To see if you got, it's the same one, like they all have it from this place.
No, it's different.
Okay.
Hopefully there's
Ink?
enough in it, yeah.
Yeah. Try it.
Oh, there's a lot.
Can you get mine out of the front pocket? Can you see it?
Is there room in your
Yeah.
fanny
I'll
pack?
put it in my fanny pack now. It was a pain yesterday because I couldn't, my phone. Oh, you have so many more than me.
Hey, look at that.
Perfect. And then we got to date
How did
it.
you do it that good?
I don't know, you know, old age. When we get home tonight, we have to date it. Will you put it in my backpack again? I know it's a pain. I don't want to carry it in the front. Because I can't get my phone in and out. Thank you for doing that.
You're welcome.
Hi.
Buen Camino.
Good, I'm glad we got another stamp. We got 2 stamps.
Nice.
2 stamps in one city. Village. I gotta say village. Not city.
We can't do more than 2 a day though, because then we won't have room for our last one.
That's right.
But the first.
No, I can do.
Yeah.
But only up to a point. Okay, so this way, yeah.
Yeah.
This is so interesting that the Camino,
Goes straight through.
like instead of going around the city, takes you through the city.
It's very cool. Very cool. The bed's set up for the night. Everybody's doing their laundry, chilling. The chapel.
So where do we leave our shoes? On the other side of, oh, shoes. Okay, awesome, great. Wow, my legs are sore and tired, and they are saying, sleep, sleep.
Going to dinner with our new English friend, Clare.
Clare the solicitor.
And Estella, the lawyer.
Mhm.